Play with it. That's a clever boy. Can you play with it? Play with your dum-dum. Come on. Hit it. Hit it. You know you want to play with it. Come on. Don't look so concerned. Come on. Are you camera shy already? You're only a month old. Here we go. What about this one? What's that thing you're pointing at me? Daddy, don't point it at me. You're freaking me out. That's right. Move. Come on. Oh! There we go. Clever boy. Come on. You know you want to hit it. Give it one. Go on. Go on, get it. Yay! Oh, so clever. Yay!